Hi guys, so we're here with plates and we have things behind us. But today we're going to be making creations with them and with these tiles. And the loser then video will have to let the winner have a yesterday and tomorrow's video. So that will probably be her, and it will be true. She cannot say no at any point. I'm not joking. Because I normally hate Sundays. So today is Saturday. This will be posted today. So, yes. Let's get started. And the winner gets a yesterday, yes. So, first one is to make houses. Okay, I'm going to start making my house really good. Oh, doing the top over. I'm obviously going to use blue as Milo because it's literally my favourite colour in the whole wide world. Let's put it all in the middle of the sea. Okay, and go. Okay. I'll replace two. Wait, Mummy, you can have two more. You can have one more for me to have that blue window. Okay. Make that back together. Let's not spend any more time, and I'll make my other hair fall. There's mine. I'm not going to touch it at any point.
I need the dry.
Wait, can I need those? Sorry guys, I just need to take this from my mum. So mine's gonna look extra cool.
Cheat.
I know.
Oh.
Mummy, can I have you hold these? Oh, can you hold? Yeah, you touch that quick. No, that. Oh, where's that one? Oh. Okay, then. No.
They're not going to stay this way.
Okay. Ow. Oh.
You just, like one colour.
Man. Wait. Hold that up.
help you?
No, that didn't go far. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, no, no. No. Yeah, that's. Yeah. Can you? Okay, so that is mine. And then this.
Careful.
Then this is Mummy's. Okay, so which one will be better? The judge will come at the end of the video. So let's smack these. Oh no. Take photos. My phone. No, I won't.
What are you doing?
Just so they don't see my password. Okay. Can you just okay. Okay. That's all. Again. Oh, one last detail for mine. Can you turn it? That it also has a car. That's mine.
Stop working.
Just stopped working.
Okay, so guys, our next one will be. So let's. Daddy, good job, Daddy. Good job you're here. Can I tell you something?
Well, I've got something else to.
Can you just do
Yes.
this quickly?
Which one of ours is better?
I would have to say that one was it's got 2 pointy tops.
Okay, so I win this round one.
Oh, sorry. I thought I could move it. Okay, can we just like.
No, okay. Okay, let's carry on, Mummy. Okay. So how do we? I have a good idea. Okay, so let's smash it. Yay. Okay.
one more, no?
No,
Yes.
there's 4.
No, I'm doing 2.
Please. No, it's 5.
Just 2 minutes.
Please. No.
Oh, then if we quicker.
Okay, so this challenge, we are going to be making cars. But there's already
Yeah.
1 car. So you're going to make your own car, and I'm going to make this car better.
Oh, my car's not going to have any wheels.
Okay.
Because I don't have any wheels.
So you have to try your best. Hey. Okay. Okay, so there's my truck.
That's my car.
So, and let me explain. So, this,
Just imagine it had wheels on.
wait. Mm-mm. Okay, so that is the front, that's the front, and that's the back. Front, back, then windows, then the roof is also on there, then mine as well. Pretty good one. What about yours? So yeah. Daddy, now let's ask the judge. What do you think? Daddy,
Just hang on, please.
I need you. Can you do it now? Just wait a moment. Daddy,
Ethan, can you just...
I need to show you.
You just have to
That
pick a
one.
winner.
Or that one.
You won again.
I have 2 points, she has 0. Okay, so let's wrap this. Okay, so let's just mess with her. Wait, where are the squares? No, Mummy, let's just, it doesn't matter. Okay, so let's not even matter cleaning it up.
So what's the third thing we'll make?
Okay, the third one is a fruit. So we can make any fruit. Oh, I have a good idea.
There's most fruits are round. And you can't make anything round.
I have a good idea. Mine's really quick to make. Yeah, mine's already done.
What's that?
A pineapple. I have made my banana. Daddy,
Yeah.
wait, not yet. Let's wait for Mummy. I say my pineapple's pretty good, is it? What's yours gonna be?
Mine is a very large grape. That's why it's purple.
So great. Daddy, which? Daddy,
Grape or the pineapple?
no. A grape or a pineapple? Which one's better?
Pineapple.
Okay.
Last round.
Okay. The last round will be the hardest. And I've been struggling. The last round is animals.
Animal.
No.
Ooh, I think we're going to now.
It was Hey, can I have one? Can I have one? Wait, can I have one?
Bring a lot back to the United States. You know, a lot more events like this, so it's open to the public, open to do that. Just to keep it up, because you come back into it as an
I need lots of squares. Oh, I need some squares.
Tons.
Can you shorten yours? I need some more. I really need some squares.
How's that done? Is that enough?
No, I can't have that one. I can't have that one.
Okay, well I can swap.
I need 2 more.
How big do you think the gap is?
You could.
How soon you think you could close that gap in savings?
And
We have a decent amount of upgrades
And just enough.
Just one more there.
Oh, I need another two. Please,
Oh, it's going to fall apart if I give you any more.
please,
It's already falling apart.
just one more. I just need one more. Thanks.
We expect the upgrades for our cars to be quicker, but we need a lot to go and get Mercedes. So hopefully we can at least be ahead of Ferrari and maintain that order. But we'll have to wait.
Mine is a tiger.
Mine is a giraffe.
How do you do it? How do I? Can you do face yours first?
My giraffe.
So yours is a giraffe, and my tiger.
Ethan's tiger.
Okay, so Daddy, which one is better? Come see the tiger or the giraffe.
The beginning of 2028, this is Max Verstappen's race engineer. What kind of a signing is he, what do you think, for them? And what does it say about McLaren?
Tiger or giraffe?
Picking the best from up and down the paddock.
I would have to say the giraffe.
Why not the tiger? Okay, come look from here. Come sit on. Go stand over there.
Yes, okay. Yeah, tiger.
Okay, so I win and I get a yes day tomorrow because.
Yes, days.
So now I made a deal at the start of video. If whoever wins the whole thing gets a yes day tomorrow. Maybe Monday, guys. Maybe Monday. Because my mum won't be home tomorrow. So, maybe Monday. So, see you on Monday. See you on Monday for part 2. Goodbye. Yeah. Subscribe. We only need 2 more until 50 subscribers. Then we can start. Then we can start live streaming. Yes, we can start live streaming, guys. And the first would be about time. So I just need 2 more subscribers. Please subscribe. Please. Okay, I'll see you on Monday. Bye, guys. The video might not be on Monday. I'll try and make it happen, okay? Goodbye. Where are you?